In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Mozilla Firefox your default browser, so all your links automatically open in Firefox. Let's begin. Now let me tell you this. Every time you open Firefox, for example, I'm going to click on the small icon here, it may show a notification asking if you want to make it your default browser, especially if you have multiple browsers installed or if you have already set a different default browser. So in my case, I am using Google Chrome as my default browser. Now, if you wanted to make Firefox your default browser, if you see this notification, I want you to click that button, which will forward you to a new page. All I have to do is very simple. All right. As you can see, my default browser is Google Chrome. Now, click the web browser and of course, click the Firefox. It's very simple. Now, another option is go back to your Firefox and then click the three horizontal menu on the top right corner. I want you to click the settings, and as you can see, you have the option to make Firefox as your default browser. If this is not checked, I want you to click on the check button or click the make default button here. Once that's done, you should see a message confirming that Firefox is now your default browser. And basically, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.